Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Cassandra Good coming to you from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, like I promised, many of you all will be seeing on my channel exactly what affiliate opportunities I'm actually using. Anybody that knows me knows I love multiple streams of income. I definitely want to share what works for me, how it's working for me, the resources that I'm actually going to be using, and what I'm actually using in tools to find success with each and every one of these platforms. Well, guys, today I want to talk to you about multiple income funnel. I know a lot of you all have seen MIF. Some of you are already participating. Some of you might be looking at it, not exactly sure how it's going to benefit you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you how it's going to benefit you and how you, this time, I'm going to tell you, even in the midst of this pandemic, this business model has been really soaring. Matter of fact, everything that I'm touching has really been soaring because people have really opened their eyes to really understanding that they need to have not just a side hustle, ladies and gentlemen, but they need to have something that's going to secure their future with platforms that are going to stand the test of time. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Number one, there are five different opportunities within MIF itself. Okay, MIF was created by a good dear friend of mine that we've shared the direct mail space for many years, Mr. Mac Mills, and he has come up with this opportunity that allow people not only to earn from one platform but four to five, and we'll have a sixth one soon. The wonderful thing that I love about it is because four of these platforms I was already involved in way before this funnel even became in existence. That's why I knew without a shadow of a doubt that I was on the right page. I was in the right lane and on the right path in my journey to secure additional income for me and my family. So let's go ahead and dive into it so you can see these different income streams and why they're so popular and why I'm actually a part of that. So number one, I want to tell you, system itself is actually a way to create residual income. And you might say, Cassandra, well, how do you do that? Because the MIF funnel is $49 per month. And you might say, Cassandra, is that a good amount of money that you can make something and really earn a substantial amount of money? Absolutely. And let me tell you the reason why. Because the system itself is pretty much all that you need. And I'll go in here and I'll show you exactly what I mean. But the system is $49 a month. Each time that you share this wonderful opportunity with someone, you will earn $20. You'll pretty much keep $18, and $2 will go to a processing fee because there's a third party billing and there's a third party payout processor that's within the system itself. And that's how you're going to be paid. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and inject an income disclaimer in here. You can make as much or as little as you want when it comes to utilizing the multiple income funnel. But I would encourage you to make as much as you possibly can. And the reason why is because the products within here, the digital products within here, with each one of the platforms that are creating income are valuable and is needed in today's world to definitely keep up with the changes and to also solidify having something stable, secure, and giving value back to the masses. The system itself, in itself, is way beyond comparison to many other systems that I have seen that were bogus and just left, it was lacking on a lot of things. But the system itself, I'm going to tell you right now, it's complete in its entirety. And you might say, well, Cassandra, how is it complete? How is it different than anything else? I'm going to tell you right now, under the resources, if any platform that you're using right now to get your business or businesses out there, you always need content. Content is always going to be king. And many people that I've run into, they don't know how to formulate an email. They might not know the words to say. They might not know how to really convey or get their point across so that people can understand that they have something of value that they want to share. They're on Facebook. They don't know what images. They don't know how to use ClickBank services in the sense of being able to use some of the graphics. These types of things can be overwhelming to people. But within the MIF funnel, all of this is taken care of. As you can see, you'll have web banners that you can utilize. You'll have social media images that you can utilize. You have Facebook posts. A lot of times, like I said, content. People don't know what to say, but they know they want to get it out there. They know they want to what? Number one, earn some money. And guess what? If you're still confused about these examples and things that you have as a sample, guess what? There's training to teach you how to do that, how to place banners, how to place the images, how to place the Facebook posts, and where to place them. So, guys, I'm telling you, all of this is in here for you to utilize. This system is complete in its entirety. So, go right on over here. We're going to start. Number one, the system itself, $49 a month, earning $20, $18 goes into your pocket each and every month for each person that you share this with. Now, let me show you exactly the other income stream so you'll see exactly why I'm excited, why I'm passionate. I know several of you all will definitely say, okay, I see. Cassandra has shared Easy One Up. Why have I shared Easy One Up? Because it has earned me multiple six figures since the beginning of my relationship with Easy One Up. Easy One Up is over 6 years old now, and I've been with the owner, Mr. Peter Wolfen, since 2002. That in itself speaks volumes. And I will tell you, this young man creates systems within itself that nothing but create value and show each and every person that steps into the platform that he creates money after money after money, security after security after security, residual after residual after residual. I still get paid for people that I bought in years ago with systems that Mr. Peter Wolford has put into play. Okay. The next income stream is Textbot. Anybody knows and understand that we are in the world of technology with SMS texting. Most people have gotten to the point now that they're more comfortable with texting than there actually are to open up the line and speak with someone. So we know how valuable texting is. And it has been proven that 97% of the people that actually receive a text within 30 minutes or less, they're going to respond to that text. They're going to open this text and they're going to respond in one way or another. The other income stream, many of you all might have heard of it. You might have and you might not have, but it's called Traffic Authority. And it is one of the systems in here that I assure you the commissions are incredible. Again, let me go ahead and inject an income disclaimer. You can make more or you can make less, but I assure you with the traffic that we have within Traffic Authority, the income and commissions that you can receive from Traffic Authority itself is unbelievable and it is very, very, very lucrative. The traffic is keen of real, true, interested people that want a home-based business, not only just a home-based business, but a credible home-based business for themselves. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do is take you right into Traffic Authority right now because I've had people say, well, Cassandra, do you really use Traffic Authority? Absolutely. I have an active order. Each time that you have active orders, I just did another active order. If you can see, I funded $2,194. Why? Because it works. As you can see, what am I sharing under here? I am sharing my MIF because this traffic converts. This traffic is helping me not only to get multiple, when I say multiple, $18, multiple easy one up, 500, 1,000, vertex level, $2,000 commission. Again, let me inject an income disclaimer. Your efforts could totally be different than mine, depending on what you're actually doing to build your business. Okay. I need to be very, very clear on that because I don't want people to say, oh, she said this or she said that. It is because I am a consistent worker. I'm consistently running ads. I'm consistently building my business time and time and time again. I'm telling you, this is what happens when you're consistent. Let me go in here and show you exactly what I mean by consistent. As my traffic continues to run time and time and time again, people come in. I'm using tracking links to see exactly where my traffic is coming in. And guess what TA means? TA means traffic authority. Traffic authority. Okay? So please, by all means, respect the people that are actually on here for the emails, but I just wanted to share that with you. So going back, understanding that traffic authority is one of the income streams within the system is creating some serious lucrative income and commissions for many, many people, including myself. Something I can tell you because I use the traffic truly. Okay, and of course, you've seen some other areas there that I actually do, but I also have other capture page systems within other systems that I actually share this opportunity as well because anybody knows being an avid affiliate marketer, we're going to do split tests constantly. Okay, so just wanted to let you know that for true transparency, I do use other traffic sources. Those that join my team will be privy to those traffic sources because I will tell you that when you actually go ahead and mix different traffic and then you have your favorite vendors that you like to use and their information, their traffic and lists actually converts very well. You definitely want to make sure you keep those in your arsenal of resources and tools for complete success. Now the last system that I want to share with you. Many of you all might have seen me talk about this on my YouTube channel and knowing how to utilize this particular system. This system also allows me to be able to share my business opportunity with 100 leads per day that I well actually excuse me 200 leads per day because I do have people that have bought into that opportunity. And guess what? These come to you every single day. And I want to show you something because I have some people that say, oh, that my Legion secret stuff does not work. Well, let me go back over here and let me show you my leads. What do you see came in today alone? Today alone. Someone opted in from my Legion secrets. Do you see that? I track every single thing that I do, ladies and gentlemen. Every little thing that I do, I track it. And the reason why you want to track all of your links, where you're actually sending your information out there for you to get as much traffic as possible, because you want to see exactly what is most beneficial for you. There is absolutely no time wasting here. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a little bit of what I'm sharing today. I'm not going to get long winded because I promise you I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to dissect this on another day, on several other days for you, and it'll probably be before the close of the weekend. But I wanted to share with you exactly what is going on and how powerful this MIF funnel is. Definitely would love to have you on my team. Would love to show you my blueprint. Would love to share with you the vendors and resources and other tools that I actually use outside of this to give you the extra boost and go ahead and create you a six-figure annual income. And I'm injecting the income disclaimer because I will tell you this. It can be done, but you have to be willing to take action. So definitely click the link below this video. I would love to have you as my MIF affiliate slash member, team member, and I would love to work with you directly so you can maximize your potential in here and make 2021 a booming of a time with this particular platform. And not only that, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already and you're just browsing through my channel. I have so much more coming down the pipe, and I'm going to dissect MIF for you step by step in a couple of other videos so you'll get the full impact of why you too need to add this to your multiple streams of income and make 2021 a solid one and take it right on into 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you so much for coming through. Definitely, again, click the link in the description below this video. I'd love to have you, and you'll see what the wealth of MIF is all about. And the community that we have is out of this world. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.